One of the most realistic remote control wire control we call not RC, it is a wire control toy made by UK, and the manufacturer is in Hong Kong. It is quite interesting. You can see very lovely scale body and very realistic, and the vehicle can be forward, backward, stop, and the reverse. The steering control not by servo, by a wire, cable wire. So at that time, it's really fun. Hong Kong made. This is a military police version. It got AA Association and many others plan. Quite realistic, you can see. Thank you for watching. I got another one. They are more realistic. It is later 70s. This is a series 3. You can see wire control, and you cannot believe it's not just go forward, backward. It also 4-wheel drive. My son, when he is very young, he liked to play this at the garden very much. A winch inside originally is put in front. Also, this also made in Hong Kong. They are so realistic.